Initial D.
So, you invited me to race with you, huh?
Yes, because I wanted to see if you can beat my FC.
Well, if that's what you want to see, then let's do this.
Five, four, three, two, one, go!
'Oh, an R34. Phew, that was a close one. Was that an 8.5? The youngest from Kitina's Sky? And he has a car when he's 17? Dude, that's nuts. His car is so fast, but I don't think I'm gonna lose. But the only way that should work is when I see the gap that's either the outside or the inside. It doesn't matter anyways.
Come on, lady, come on, go. Come on, lady, give me one for right.
I see them. The FC is ahead.
This is a close one. What is the 86 gonna do now?
Inside. Outside.
From the outside?
Dude, it's not gonna work that way. The inside has the most advantage.
No, my front tires are losing traction.
Oh my god.
Bro, the FC was losing ahead, and the 86 has taken the inside lane. That's crazy.
There we go. That was not bad. I didn't even realize how tough the race was, but it was actually not that bad than you would think. Your car was literally losing ahead a bit.
Yeah, it's because of my front tires. They were losing traction, and they're a bit worn out. But, GG's dude, I gotta head out, so I'll see you when I see you.
Alright, bye.